Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play as Rosalina in Super Mario Wonder. To begin, understand that Rosalina is a special character you can unlock. She provides a unique way to experience the game, especially if you're looking for a more relaxed playthrough. Her distinct abilities make certain challenges much simpler, allowing you to focus on exploration and collecting items without the usual pressure of taking damage. Unlocking Rosalina requires you to progress significantly through the game. First, you need to complete the entire main story, which will then grant you access to the challenging special world. Once you're in the special world, continue playing until you reach its very last level. After successfully completing this ultimate challenge, Rosalina will be available for selection on the character screen, ready for your next adventure. Rosalina possesses a truly unique ability that sets her apart from other characters. She is completely invulnerable to enemy attacks, meaning you won't lose a life or take damage when touching foes. However, it's important to remember that she can still be defeated by falling into bottomless pits, being crushed by environmental hazards, or running out of time. This invulnerability makes her an excellent choice for exploring levels without constant worry. When playing as Rosalina, leverage her invulnerability to thoroughly explore every corner of a level. She is perfect for collecting all the wonder seeds and purple coins, especially in stages where enemies are plentiful. Her unique ability makes tackling those notoriously difficult levels much more manageable, allowing you to enjoy the game's creative design without frustration. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and have fun with Rosalina.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.